National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Rappahannock County in northwestern Virginia, Central Fauquier County in northern Virginia, North Central Culpeper County in northern Virginia, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles south of Hume, Oregon, 12 miles west of Warrenton, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Warrenton, Turnbull, Hackney's Crossroads, Amosville, Jeffersonton, and Viatown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the official